Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Magic. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, setting up a dual boot system with Windows 11 and Chrome OS. This setup lets you enjoy the best of both worlds, effortlessly switching between the powerful features of Windows and the simplicity of Chrome OS. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now restart your computer and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key. This key varies by manufacturer but is typically one of the following: F1, F2, F10, DEL, or ESC. Once you're in the BIOS, navigate to the boot menu, disable Secure Boot, then save and exit the setup. Your computer will restart automatically. After it restarts, search for Create and Format Disk Partitions in the Windows search and open it. Select the partition with enough space, right-click on it, and choose Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to allocate for the Chrome OS installation. Now, click on Shrink. Right-click on the unallocated space and select Create New Simple Volume. Click Next. Assign a drive letter, then click Next, again, and finally click Finish. Next, we'll need to download the necessary files for booting Chrome OS. Click on the first download link in the description to download the stable release of Brunch. Now, download Chrome OS using the second link in the description. Scroll down to the USB installation section, expand the Brunch USB guide, and find the appropriate recovery file for your processor generation. Shavana for 8th and 9th Gen Intel processors, Baba for Celeron processors, Genelon for 10th Gen Intel processor, Voxel for 11th Gen and newer. Since I'm using a 10th Gen Intel processor, I'll go with Genelon. Expand the Recovery Images section and download the latest version available. Now, go to the third link and download the Chrome OS commands. Now, go to the Downloads directory and rename the Brunch file to brunch.tar.gz. After renaming, extract the Chrome OS zip file. Now, rename the extracted Chrome OS file to chromios.bin. Go to the Start menu and open Ubuntu. You'll need WSL2 enabled and Ubuntu installed to create the Chrome OS image. Pause this video and watch the setup guide first, it's linked in the description and info button. Open Ubuntu as an administrator. Go to the Downloads directory and open the Chrome OS commands text file. Copy the first command and paste it into Ubuntu, and press Enter. Then enter your password, and press Enter. Now, change the directory using the second command to the location where the Chrome OS and Brunch files are located that you downloaded in the previous step. Change the username in the command to your Windows username, then press Enter. Extract the Brunch file using the third command. Copy and paste it, then press Enter. This command will generate the Chrome OS image in the specified folder. Copy and paste it into Ubuntu. Now, create a new folder in the drive you set up earlier for the Chrome OS installation and name it Brunch in all lowercase letters. Now, enter the destination of your brunch folder. Mine is located in the D drive, so I will leave it as /mn/d/brunch. If yours is in a different folder, you'll need to change it to the appropriate path. In the size field, enter the Chrome OS installation size in GB. I created 25 GB, so I'll enter 20 GB to leave extra space for smoother performance. Then press enter. Type dual boot and press enter. The Chrome OS disk image and grub text file have been created in the destination directory. Now we need to disable fast startup and hibernation to boot Chrome OS. Go to Windows Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, then copy and execute the command provided. Once done, close the command prompt window. Then, copy the provided registry path. Search for Registry Editor and run it as an administrator. Paste the copied path into the registry editor. Scroll down to find Hyperboot enabled, double-click to open it. And change the value from 1 to 0. Open your browser, search for Grub2Win, click on the first link, and download it. Then, extract the Grub2Win zip file, locate the grub2win.exe file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click on Setup, and it will install Grub2Win on your computer. Once done, click Close Setup Program. The program will automatically start. Now, go to the Brunch folder in the partition created for Chrome OS, locate the Chrome OS grub code file, select all the code, and copy it. In the Grub2Win application, open Manage Boot menu. Click on Add New Entry and give a name to the OS. In the Type section, select Create User section. Paste the copied Chrome OS grub code here and save it. Then close the window, click on OK. OK, and then Apply, followed by OK. Finally, click Close. Done. Now close all the applications and restart the computer. In the Grub menu, choose Brunch to set up Chrome OS. This may take 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your computer's speed, so please be patient. Once booted into Chrome OS, click on Get Started, then connect to the internet. Log in with your Google account, set a password for your Chrome OS, and adjust the display settings and fonts to your preference. Select your desired theme. And there you have it, a dual boot setup with Windows 11 and Chrome OS. You now have the flexibility of using both operating systems on one device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech guides from Tech Magic. See you next time.